After the Fatha and learning about the Fatha and the sound that it makes, which makes the sound, and going through the Quran, some pages of the Quran, and trying to identify it, I notice it comes out quite a lot. And then wow, with her Fatha, we know it makes a wa sound. See, wa again. And this, another wa, that's a fa, probably fa, quick fa, because yeah, fa. And another wa. There's a lot of was in this surah. And ha in the middle, what it looks like, and with the fatha makes a ha sound. So I've just been going through the Quran and spotting, and it's actually exciting to see that this is the beginning of reading the Quran one day. So yeah, recognizing the letters and these, the fathas, is actually a big step. No step is too small, and that's fantastic stuff. Keep on going, and it's exciting. It makes me very excited to know that I'm steps closer to be able to read and understand this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.